for some loud motorcycles to go by. All right, so Eric from Collect&Reflect here. We're strolling around downtown Asheville, North Carolina, and I stumbled across this shop called The Gamer's Haunt, local since 2012. And I was doing some research and I actually found that they just are recently moving to this store. They had another store in another location, but they've been moving to this one. And earlier today, they told me that this is the grand opening today, as of about a little over an hour ago, or a little less than an hour ago. So we're gonna go in, and you know that here at Collect&Reflect, we've been playing some Dungeons and Dragons recently, and it looks like I see a D20 in the logo there. I think this is like a game shop in general, tabletop gaming, card games, and things like that. We're gonna go in and check it out. Hopefully the grand opening's cool. And one thing I forgot to mention, today is June 14th, 15th? Today's June 14th. Yeah. 2026, grand opening of Gamers Haunt. Oh, cool. Really nice spot. Wow, everyone's here playing for the grand opening. That is super, super, super cool. We've got some different card games. Whoa. There's some nice D20s. Cool Magic collab sets, plushies, single packs of a bunch of collab sets. We've got the Avatar, Ninja Turtles, Moana. Oh, we got Lorcana too. Spidey. Some Magic singles over here, looks like. Oh yeah. Yeah, those are really cool. Those are relatively new. Love to see it. Got some novels here as well. Very cool. Computer box. Nice. Let's see what they've got in the dice department. Ooh, we got some sceneries for any tabletop games they might be playing. Call of Cthulhu. The One Ring starter set. Very cool. It's a role-playing game based on Lord of the Rings. Ooh, now we got official D&D stuff. The Dungeonator. Die in a Dungeon. A narrative crawl. That sounds really cool. Some plush charms. Premium book and character folios. Very, very, very cool. Mystery dice, special D20s, mystery pins, the gelatinous cube. Whoa, look at these. The adult blue dragon, adult gold dragon. Whoa, we got pre-painted miniatures galore. Really cool stuff. Dungeon Crawl Classics. These are really cool. Oh, 50-cent dice. Can't go wrong here. Very, very, very cool. We got dice down here. Let's see. Get myself a D20 here. I rolled a 3. I'm dead. Really cool sets here. Warhammer. I haven't played Warhammer, but my cousin does. Oh, miniature paint sets. Very nice. Binders for your cards, deck boxes, all kinds of stuff. We got some bundle boxes for Magic sets up there. It's cool. We got some theme sets made from bulk leftovers that are cool. We got some books here. These are cool. Yeah, it seems like most people are playing Magic, it seems, but maybe playing some other games. It's really cool to see a really lively place with a lot of people playing games. This is almost similar to a set that I made. Ooh, board game time. What do we got?
I think this one looks cute.
Carcassonne.
Yeah, this one.
Ooh, Flamecraft Duels. I think we played this with one of your siblings one time.
It's 1 to 2 players.
Yeah. We got all kinds of expansions for Catan, like Cities and Knights. Cookie Run. La Habana. Not to be confused with Havana. Whoa. Really cool. Postcard? Oh, that's nice. Very cool. And then, of course, we got a nice Marvel poster here with Ego, the Living Planet, Celestials, Heroes and Villains, and all. Room you can rent out. Or maybe you can just play in it, but this is like a D&D room. Really cool. They've got all kinds of minifigs, map collections, and books related to D&D. I don't know if any of this is for sale, but just check out what they've got. Remotes and counters, all kinds of figures, a whiteboard. That's awesome. DM screen, playing mat, more screens here. This is a room that we definitely want to be in very soon.
Have y'all been to our Merriman location?
No, we're from out of town. We're from Orlando, Florida. Yeah.
We just, like, literally, we were there for 12 years, 14 years.
That's crazy. Yeah, we were driving around downtown because we've been in town for like a week, and I saw the sign outside, and then I looked it up, and I was like, and I saw that you guys were moving, so I was like, I thought I saw some people there yesterday. Maybe they're open, maybe they're not.
We were just working our butts off.
Yeah.
Getting it all right.
That makes sense. That's super cool.
Freaking box card.
Yep. This is a really nice place, yeah. We have a few places like this in Orlando, but this is really nice, so I'm glad to see it.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Well, come back and visit.
Yeah,
again.
will do. Thank you. Take care.
Have a good one.
Appreciate it. We got our stuff. So that was Gamers Haunts. I really like that place. I would definitely come back here again. Got a few goodies, got a few gifts for the boys, as it were. I think I'll probably give them this stuff before you all watch this video. But yeah, I would definitely come back here to Gamers Hunt. Here's the bag here, and I'll show you in just a second what we picked up. All right, so here's a little brown bag. We got a few things. They gave me a good deal on this. They weren't sure how much it cost, but they gave me like a bargain bin price. It's a really nice big bag, felt bag to hold all your D&D dice in, or whatever you want, really. I got these D&D minifigs, which is a blind box that comes with 4 figures, and it's Baldur's Gate 3 theme, which is pretty cool because I like that game a lot. Then I got a couple sets of mystery dice. Matching set mystery dice here, and then this one's a little bag. This is a misfit bag, so a unique set of mismatched mini metal dice. That should be cool. So, like I said, I'm not sure who's getting what as far as gifts. So I'm not going to unbox any of those mystery dice. But yeah, that's been it from Collect&Reflect. Eric here, signing off. We'll catch you in the next one. Gamers Hunt was cool. Asheville, North Carolina. The grand opening today on June 17th, 2026. I said the 15th before. That was wrong. June 17th, 2026. The grand opening of Gamers Hunt in downtown Nashville. They had been at their old location for 12 years, they were saying so. Yeah, Eric signing off. We'll catch you in the next one.